Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video I will be sharing a really good deal that Trinity Stamps is having between today and the 14th of February. If you purchase or make a purchase for $60 or more, you will get the all hard paper slimline like paper pack for free. So that is a really good deal, and I wanted to feature some of the pattern papers from that collection today, and I wanted to share with you that you can use it as a subtle background if you like. But the main focus for this video will be the really beautiful Sunsational stamp set, and this is a 3x4 stamp set, so it's a really good price point, made by Love Danny Studios. And you can see I just inked it up using my Misty. I stamped it a couple of times with some alcohol friendly ink. I believe this was the Memento. I have a couple of other inks that I like to mix it up with, but this is I think the ink that I'm always returning to when it comes to copy coloring or alcohol ink in general. And I use my Copic markers just to create like a rainbow look for all of my images here. So I use some pink shades for my hearts, and then I will use some like yellow for my sun here, and some teal for my clouds, and some oranges for my sun, and some green for my Sunsational. So I just mix it up and try to use a variety of colors here. I didn't do much shading. I kept it pretty easy, just going with 1 or 2 shades for all of my images here. You can see I skipped a couple of parts because I just thought it was kind of, you didn't have to see me color all of this. But the main point of this video is that you can create all of these really fun and easy cards and just send them out. I'm so bad at just taking the time and sitting down and just mailing my cards, but this was taking like no time at all to create, and then I have a lot of time just to sit down and mail them out, or just give them away to somebody that you are meeting in person or something like that. Just do it, because they will really appreciate it, and you will feel so much better than just having them in a drawer or in another, just collect them. You will feel better when you just send them out. So I have to be better on that one myself. So here you can see I used 2 shades, and then I went in with a white gel pen and just clean up some of the edges, and also highlighting some of the parts here. I will speed this up because I just went in with some lines and dots and made it, in my mind, a little bit more finished, and I just love doing that. And then I will trim this down using a die set from Trinity Stamps called 4-bar card and envelope builder, and this is a newer one. It was a part of their January release, and here you can see that fun pattern paper in the background. I cut that out with one of the larger dies that comes in that same die set, and then I will adhere it to a 4-bar card and with some liquid glue, and I just finish it off with some glitter here to my sun rays here. I just thought that would look good, and this was just some old stickers that I have in my stash, and I went in with a lot of embellishments as well. Just scatter them around my card base here. I believe this is called Disco or something like that. I will have it linked down below for you. And I went a little bit overboard with my sequence here, but I like the effect that it gives. And I also have this gold toned Nuvo pen, I believe it's Nuvo pen, and I thought it looked good for my sun there, just create some more sparkle. And yeah, for my heart I also went in with some silver glitter. And that finished off this project. I hope you like this quick project using the pattern paper in the background and just this really cute stamp set from Danny. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!